If you've ever created a formula in LibreOffice Math and wanted to save it as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your formula as a PDF file in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to share equations, keep a clean copy for printing, or save your work in a format that's easy to open on almost any device. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have your formula open in LibreOffice Math, you can use that file. If not, go to the left side under Create and click Math Formula to start a new one. Once your formula is ready or your existing formula is open, look at the top menu bar and click File. This is where you'll find the export options for your document. From the File menu, click Export As. A sub-menu will appear, and from there choose Export as PDF. This tells LibreOffice that you want to convert your formula into a PDF version instead of saving it in the normal editable format. After that, LibreOffice will open the Export Settings window. In most cases, you can leave the default settings as they are unless you want to adjust specific PDF options. Once you're ready, click Export. Now you'll be asked to choose the save location on your computer. Pick the folder where you want the PDF to be stored, give the file a name if needed, and then click Save. LibreOffice will process the formula and create the PDF file for you, and that's it. Your formula is now saved as a PDF file. You can open it anytime, send it to someone, print it, or store it for later use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.